Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is random, short, and I actually pre-filmed this before we had moved from Missouri. So this was 2 days before the actual drive. I just wanted our car to be clean and actually smell good because me and the boys were going to be sitting in this for 15 hours. So I figured the least I can do for our car is clean it up and just get it prepared. As you can see, my car was pretty disgusting, at least just to my standard, because I do like to keep the car clean. But there was just a ton of things back here that just don't belong, like all the hats, the cups, the car toys, just obviously all the food crumbs. Yeah, I take pride in a clean car, so we had to get this done. Here's just another view of the back seat and the floor. It's honestly pretty embarrassing to show my car like this, but at the same time, this is real life, and if you have toddlers or just kids in general who sit in the back, I'm sure you can relate. After vacuuming, we decided to wipe down the dashboard with this like dust wipe. I think our car wash gave this to us for free. And it's kind of silly of us because we just vacuumed and then we dusted. We should have done this first, but it is what it is. At least the car is clean, right? I'm not gonna lie, this scent was bomb, but I will probably never buy them again, and I would suggest you don't waste your money either because as good as that scent was, it didn't even last like a couple hours, if that, so that was a little disappointing, and there were 3 in there. And my car's not even that big, so I would not waste my money on it. I would just go ahead and get like the little California can scents. Those last a long time, and they're still $1 at the Dollar Tree, so that's my suggestion for the day. I hope that this video made you want to get up and go clean your car. I know sometimes I have to go to YouTube for a little extra motivation when I don't feel like doing something, but it does feel good to have a clean car that smells good, I promise. So you should go out and do that too. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And of course, if you didn't, you can give me a thumbs down. I'm still trying to gauge what you guys like to watch, so that kind of helps me. Anyways, I will talk to you guys soon.